In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add fade in and fade out in Shotcut. My name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. So if you want to add fade ins and fade out in Shotcut, it is quite simple. So I have this video. I want to add a fade in at the beginning and also a fade out at the end. So to add a fade in at the beginning, hover at the edge of the beginning and you'll see a dot there. So go ahead and click on that dot and then drag it inside your clip. And as you can see, it is moving. I'll move it again. So just drag it in to a level that you feel comfortable. So if I leave it at that and then take my cursor at the beginning, you can see now it begins with a black screen that fades in and exposes the video. On the other hand, you can see here I have end credits on this video. However, the transition is not that smooth and I'd like to go ahead and add a fade out. So to add a fade out, I'll also again go to the corner here. If you go to this corner at the end of the video, you can see we have a dot, and if you click on that dot and then now drag it in, you can see we have now a fade out transition. And now move it to a level that you feel you are comfortable, and once you get to that, go ahead and release it and then try playing it. You can see how that transitions, and look at that. That is now a fade out. So should you want to remove these fade ins and fade out, it is pretty simple. Just go ahead again and hover over where that fade in and fade out ends. For instance, I can go ahead and hover here. You can still see that bubble. If I click on it, I can again move this until you see it is at 0. So at that, now it is at 0, I've removed it. And on the other hand, I can also do the same at this. Just click on the bubble and then go ahead and move it back until it is 0. So here we go, it is 0. I have now removed the fade in transition. So that's how we add fade in and fade out transitions in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.